All the animations you just saw were generated by me using DomoAI. DomoAI is a very powerful tool. Its team is in Singapore, and this tool, it can convert our video into this artistic style. For example, this pixel style, or some of the popular ones like this now. Animation, this cartoon style. It's all good. Therefore, he is very powerful. Moreover, it can now generate images. And you can also use text. Or you can play with pictures. Very good. So today, let's talk about... This is also the highest rating I have given to any of these video generation AI tools. What about ASEAN AI? It's, you can all see this effect. The difficulty in solving it is actually the redrawing. With many directly generated, the tool for this kind of video is a bit different. It is generated based on the video we are going to provide. So this is a completely new concept, right? So we can see its different effects. You see, like just now, it's purely this kind of Japan, a style of comics. And then it's like a Disney style, a three-dimensional style, a style of pixels. And this is a style of Van Gogh. And this is called Japanese anime. Remember this, everyone, because when we went to mobilize later, we can go and assign it which style to use. This is called fat anime. It's just a flat animation, the same video. You see, it's become the same 2D animation. This comic style is just a comic. Look at his face. There's a black line on the edge. Not bad either. And this is called fusion style. Not bad at all. And then we can see some of its effects. Very good. So how do we use it? First, we need to join its Discord server. Click this button again, and then just through our invitation. And after joining, we will enter its Discord here. And then you can see them chatting. The information is very confusing. Right. We can do this. First, type a / and then here are some commands. If it's your first time here, you can try to go use one of its free quotas. But I'm not sure if there are any left now. Everyone can give it a try. What else? We can go. This goes to browse some of its information that needs some updates. There will be here, in this update of it, there will be, then we can create a new channel of our own. Kind of like a mid-journey. Create your own channel. Click here, just create a new channel. What about after the new one is built? Let's invite this Domo robot. Its robot is in. Here it is. Click here for this DomoAI robot. Then add up. Then we can choose one of our own channels. You can invite it in. After being invited into our channel, who's on this channel? There is a Mid-Journey and this Domo. They are all on our channel, but they're all robots. Well, that's it. They have him. After coming in, we can go and use him. Just click this /. Then you can see it. What about the first group? Is it a common service? What about the second group? Just a DomoAI. Then there is the Mid-Journey. It's because I'm also using Mid-Journey. So it's all in here. And then in here, it's in this DomoAI. We will have some, this information. Well, here's an important message for you. That's the /. Then subscribe here. What about clicking here? Can we go and pay? Here it has several channels. Like this one, users in China can use Alipay. Users in India or Russian users can use several other. Then it can also be paid with other credit cards or something. And now we're using the standard plan. And here's the basic plan. The price in this one. It's different from this one. The functions are all written here. Everyone can use it. You can buy it. What about after you buy it? We can go and play with it. Well, first of all, can we? This gen can generate an image, for example. This is a bit like a Mid-Journey. You can generate text into pictures. It has been generated now, similar to Midjourney. And then it has this different picture. Then we can choose, or this, to change it. So if you don't want to subscribe to Midjourney, you can just subscribe to it. Then we can go upscale it and zoom in on it. You can also do something else. For example, change its style and so on. This is interesting. So that's one of the functions of this generated image. Then the most important thing is to animate. Here it is. We want to upload a video. Upload a picture. This is taking the picture and making it come alive. We upload the image just generated with another Korea. See if you can get it to move. Then click on the future. We have some options here. So here we can generate a 3 or 5 second. But the waiting time is very long, so I won't do it for that long here. And then, can you choose some of these other options here? Let's just start. Okay, our video has been generated. Let's take a look. The effect is still amazing. It can make the whole character. There is a very three-dimensional rotation, and there is no misalignment. Yeah, we're okay. Let's continue to look at it. There are also some other functions. For example, and the most important thing is how to turn our video into the effect of anime, huh? So when using this feature, we need to use this video. It's just turning a video into a video. Okay, let's directly find a video from the internet. And then we are in the keywords. Just choose one from the prompt word. Then press the enter key. Well, the keywords actually have an impact on the entire video. We can give him, for example, the color of his hair. Or is one of them a robot? And so on. Please explain. And then here's what I have to say. We can choose a style on which it is based to generate. There was actually an official website just now. So my personal recommendation would be the one with the number 2 in front. It is a second generation version called Detail Anime Style. And then here, we can choose the generation time. Here, we are trying to save time. Let's choose a 5-second one for everyone. So, is this more based on our prompt words or our video? If you want to create a robot, it may be necessary to be closer to the prompt words. Then we click the Start button. Okay, we've generated it. Let's take a look at the effect. Okay, because we didn't adjust it for long. So this generation time is really short. But as everyone can see, they're dead to Mika. The whole video effect is very good. Well, in the meantime, in fact, there is an updated function called Move. As for this move, you can upload a video and a picture. It helps you merge video with image. Then we will send you an effect in the back channel. If you like this show, welcome to like and subscribe. See you next time.